Goal 14 is you're going to take mixed numbers times proper fractions. So pause the video and write down this goal, mixed numbers times improper fractions. After you've written that down, click play. All right, we're going to take 6 2/5 times 3/16. Remember, you're going to add, you're going to take 5 times 6, which is 30, plus 2 is 32/5. And then you're going to times that by 3/16. Now remember, I choose numbers for a very particular reason. In this case, 32 and 16 can both be divided by 16. So that would be a big thing that could help you along the way. That 32 divided by 16 is 2. And then you're going to take 16 and divide it by 16 as well. That will make the simplifying much easier. 16 over 16 is 1 whole. Multiply straight across, you get 2 times 3, which is 6, and 5 times 1, which is 5. That will simplify to 1 1/5. All right, next problem. Why don't you try this one? 4/5 times 3 1/2. When you are done, unpause the video. All right, we're going to keep our first fraction, which is 4/5. We're going to times it by the improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2. We're going to multiply straight across, and we get 28 over 10, which is the same as 2 8/10, which is the same as 2 4/5. Remember, if you got 28 over 10, you understand how to multiply fractions. If you get down to 2 4/5, you know how to simplify fractions. All right, last problem of this kind. Try it yourself. 8/10 times 3 3/4. Pause the video. Start it when you're ready. All right, we're going to keep 8 over 10 times 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15 over 4. Remember that I choose these numbers for a specific reason. For example, I know that 8 and 4 are both divisible by 4, so I'm going to divide both of those by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. I am going to just multiply. I can simplify both these by 5, but either way, you're going to see probably quite quickly what it simplifies to. 2 times 15 is 30, and 10 times 1 is 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So if you got this, you know how to multiply fractions. If you got 3, you know how to simplify fractions. So let's go back to the goal. The goal was mixed numbers times proper fractions. Look at that. Is it better than it was a few days ago? If so, make sure you star it. We'll start the next video here shortly.